Hello YouTube, and my name is Sam Graham, and today I'm going to be finishing up this program finally, and I'll get you guys ready to run it. Essentially, this is the last bit of code, and I already programmed it for you. With the comments here, I kind of just want to see how this works out for you. Let me know how you like it, me doing it this way instead of programming it in front of you. I would like to know how you like it opposed to programming it as we go. So I'm just gonna explain it again. This case is for your hints, and there's a counter to limit the hints, and this increments the counter. It goes into here being 0 because of this guy, and becomes 1 right there. Now we're creating two int variables, x and y, and these cover the horizontal distance from the treasure and the vertical distance from the treasure. We need those for the Pythagorean Theorem, which here takes x and squares it, and this one takes y's and squares it, and then it's added together. And this function will take the sum of both of these and take the square root of that sum, which equals the Pythagorean Theorem. This just marks the distance from between where you are and the treasure. So essentially, if the treasure is here and you got a hint, it would be 5 because, let's see, actually, it would be 5 because this is 4 and this is 3, and if you square 3 and add it to this 4 squared, this is 5. It's just one of the most basic. Yeah, anyways, the calculator will do it for you. That's the reason why we programmed it. Essentially, though, it just gets the distance, but it doesn't get the direction, so the treasure could be anywhere. Yep, that's what we did there. And then we printed out the counter to let you know how many hints you have. Let's see, we also use the math function, or the class, and dot round to round this distance. So, for example, if it was here, it wouldn't be exactly 5, it'd be 5 point some numbers, and but essentially it will print out 5 because it's just gonna round, because we want nice and even steps. I can't find my cursor. Okay, there it is. So we want nice even steps, so we round the distance. And this is how many steps away from your booty, and it's a hint, a J option pane, question, message. Okay, so the only other change I did is this one, and this, just in case the user gets upset and quits our game, we'll at least tell them where the booty is before they find, just to let them know that there actually was a booty, and I wasn't just messing with them this whole time. So, that should be everything. If you would like to join me in the very last video, I'm gonna run this bad boy and see what happens. So thank you guys so much for following me along this far, and hope to see you in my last video of this series. Alright, bye bye.